go kw'abakozi ba gavumenti na munonga ba polisi kubine kutandakaje kandi no kuhenderaje kwiriwe some evidence orikunda ori umuhezi wa RDC ahabwa Sheema mbuga nkuru za polisi ya Sheema ubu babiri nibaja kuzo kuhendera kurunje mwaka otoire no kusibira aba polisi abahumwire hamwe n'aba bahinduirwe kutwarwe mu myanya ndijo
abantu binje nibatandika Kwonka baremwa kuhendera kurunje ndenda kusima CID habwe mirimo mirunje yakozire kandi icyo nico cyatuma abantu bagadaringa kugira ngo bamuhereze kumusibura kurunji kugira ngo asavinga handi muri district responsible kusavinga abantu umuntu urosheme ngo savinge kurunji utari kubateganisa uwo servant w'abantu
okoraje nekintu kugira ko kwikararinga abantu bakore wabore nyene yakakore bikore yango bikurebese ngo nyene wabo hirwo umwuga gukora gusiha amahero abo kwano shanga ngo umuntu mana basa kwijaha ushanga ngo yargo bamukomere ushanga ngo yargo batamusibwira ushanga ngo yargo harwanira n'abandi bantu binji atakora mikago niyo nitegateka ngo kwatansa kugira ngo akatwaba no kare kuri abakakwaso ndijo muntu uko zirege kandi bakusiburaje
ahari yabo ababire no basiburwa kuza korora myanya ndijo bashoborerwe ngo owizera taha kandi nkorerwa birungi ebizumurwa.
We know that very well, that when you come there is time for coming, for taking over and for handing over. Full stop. So we are very grateful, we are very happy for the service you have offered to our people in Sheema.
You're supposed to go when you're supposed to go. And I also want to thank that we have been policing when we've not gotten any interferences.
Mukuru w'entebe ya katwana wa district ni yemwe Jemima Buhanda ashoborera ngo gukora amazima no butaruha n'ikigaruza mu amani kandi yagarika yashaka abantu baburijo of the rumira mu shonga za polisi kandi no kubaremesa abo kugira ngo iki nikibakorese nshobi.
People came when I was there, you know, they are all. So I am ever happy with police. Thank you. Another thing, I'm really proud LC5 because we all agree as politicians never to interfere with police investigations or decisions because they have their work. If I come here, I have got my relative because they always ring or what. I first go to the counter, I first visit the Casimiris and whatnot, and they just put me, they cancel me, or they even tell me. Then I go to the real person and even cancel him and tell him to agree or to bear it, to be patient until the investigations are over.
Umuringo ngo gumwe Superintendent of Police Paul Muhenda hobira CID kandi ubwo hatotirwa mu district ya Bugiri ashoborere cyo cyumuheriza man gukora kurunjo muri Sheema abo kugira ngo agerezeho yamaraho bwitane kandi yayegita n'abakuriye nguzi.
Ecyamane kingereze gukora muri Sheema umbere ya nukwe kwatagarisa police n'umuntu wa especially to bridge that gap kugira ngo abantu bari gutinya polisi kandi umuntu wenda kugira polisi umwakira ko kwizire then ikikuru kiri I have tried to level best to see that there is no corruption at the police. That is one. The second thing, I made sure there is no
Gashakwa Gerard Tugume abwa Sky TV ya Genshonga.